25L automatic filling production line. Application range: the equipment is suitable for chemical, petrochemical, food raw materials, pharmaceutical and other industries. Basic parameters: power supply AC 220V 5060HZ 0.2 kW gas source 0.5-0.7 par. Filling volume 10-30 kg graduation value 10 G. Filling capacity 180-240 barrels H. Filling accuracy less than or equal to 0.1% FS. Material of filling gun SUS 30 for SUS 316 PTFE optional. Explosion proof grade X11 BT4 optional. Main features: the system adopts programmable PLC controller and full Chinese guidance operation with reliable performance. Automatic conveying, automatic nitrogen filling before and after filling, automatic filling, automatic capping and capping. The overall process of filling gun is made to prevent dripping and splashing, quick release joint, easy to disassemble and wash. The system target value can be set freely, and the height of the filling gun is adjustable, which is suitable for fast filling of various specifications of packaging barrels.